Hi Year 3, welcome to another week. This is your math lesson, week 7, lesson 1. Head to that Top Marks website please. In your search, I need you to type in hit the button. Go to number bonds and I want you to try units, add units, add units. Find those answers as quickly as you can. How many can you score in 1 minute? Have one go and then another. Try and beat your score. Go for a third time and you should go higher and higher with those scores. Try and look for cheeky, sneaky ways, remember, of working out the addition sums. Look for bonds that make 10. Look for doubles. And remember, you can always put the biggest number first. Now we're going to move on to adding 3 two-digit numbers, and they're all going to be multiples of 10. So what you've just done should help you with this. Get your squared paper and number down to 10. Look for doubles. Look for bonds to 100. And remember, you can always just knock off the zeros, but put it back on at the end. Here we go. Let's generate our first sum. You just need to write down the answer, not the question. What's the answer? I'll help you with that one. I know that 6 and 4 is 10, so 60 and 40 must be 100. Then add on the 20. Next one. Can you see any doubles? Can you see bonds to 10 or 100? Keep pausing the video if you need to. Here comes number 8. Number 9. And number 10. Okay, let's move on now, and we're going to do column addition with 3-digit numbers. So this is a sum we're going to do, but not horizontally. Like I said, we're going to do it vertically. And I'm going to show you a video of how to use the compact way or the expanded way. Don't forget to rewind and watch it a few times if you want to. Here we go. So they're adding the ones. Add the tens and the hundreds. You've got to be careful here. Now it doesn't matter which way you prefer, the expanded or the compact method. It's up to you. Now remember, a good way to check that you're in the right sort of area with your answer and you're not way off is to do an approximate answer by doing some rounding. Where should the answer be roundabout? Instead of doing 451, I could just do 450 plus, and I'm going to make that 500, rounding it to the next multiple of 100. So that's 950, isn't it? which isn't too far away from the real answer. So you know you're more or less right. Had it been in the 200s, you would have known you'd been way off. Or if you'd gone into the 2000s with your answer, you would have known you were way off. You know you should be round about 950. How about this one? Well, I'm going to do my rounding and estimating first. I'm going to round this up to 300. And I'm going to round that up to 370. That's quite an easy one, isn't it? 300 and 300 is 600, but then you've got the 70. So when we do our column addition, we should be getting an answer round about 670. Let's see. Here's a video showing you both methods, and remember you can watch it again. So we start adding up the ones, then the tens, finally the hundreds. Now remember how important the setting out is here. You have to have your ones in nice neat columns, one above the other. Your tens need to be in nice neat columns. Your numbers need to be nice and neat. Look where the equal sign goes and look where the addition sign goes. Look what happens if we've got extra ones. Where do we put them? What if there are extra tens? Where do they need to go? Okay, your turn now. Turn to page 39 in your textbook and work on squared paper to do your working out and show me your answers. Try page 40 as well. And for extension, have a go at page 41. Be careful here. You're adding three-digit numbers. And don't forget the think questions at the bottom. Also remember, check you're in the right sort of area with your number by doing some rounding and some easy additions to check your answer. And that's it for today, boys. Well done. See you tomorrow. Bye.